Come along with us as we do some hillbilly plumbing. We are going to be separating the calves from the goats, and we're going to be separating Jesco from his ladies over in the other pen. That's why we're doing some not so neat plumbing, so we can have water in the pens that doesn't have water. What is that called?
What's it called?
Yeah.
I don't know what it's called.
Jeremy don't know what this thing's called, but it'll hook the pipes together. Scooby's never seen cows before. We have spring water running over here to the goat pen, and Jeremy just took a connector with a clamp and connected it to a black pipe and connected the water hose to it. So maybe we can easily water all the different pens. Alright, Jeremy's got the string of water hose there, and I'm going to go turn the water valve on. Here's Ralph. Okay, here's our on and off lever. So let's turn it on here and see what happens. I'm going to do halfway. I turned it on halfway. Is that good? Is it working? Well, it must be working. Well, our hillbilly plumbing worked. We got fresh spring water over here. Our spring water runs from a black pipe from way up there somewhere. There's a spring box, and there's a mountain spring coming out, and it fills that spring box up, and you can hook hoses or whatever. I'm not sure what you hook to it, but hook your pipes to it, and if it's a good spring, you'll have good water all the time. So our pipes run all the way up from the spring box, down the hill, under the road, through a culvert, down and around. So we got our cutoff valve right here, and it just runs down the road. And Jeremy just fixed the water hose on it. Maybe I can talk Jeremy into doing a detailed video of the spring box one day. I think it's really interesting, and it's very good water.
So we got a water trough here, there, and over here. There's 3 different locks, and I believe the water hose will make it a whole lot easier than carrying 5-gallon buckets to each one of them. It's a lot simpler. We also have another lot that has a stream running through it, which is actually where we get the water for the water hose. And a very big lot. But it makes it easier to water them in the summertime.